different temporary and unused files that is stored in your computer to make your computer run faster than before. Okay, first step, you have to go in search column, then you have to type disk cleanup. Yes, I have already send this, and I'll click on this. You have to be really very careful in this step. There are different drives you'll see here, and you have to select the system partition files, because all the temporary and unused disks has to be cleaned in this partition. You have to be really very careful. You don't have to select all these files because all your files will be deleted. You have to be really very careful. You have to select C drive in most cases. In other cases where you have your system files installed, then click on OK. Then you'll have this screen pop up. Then you have to tick mark each and every part you see over here, downloads, recycle bin, temporary files, and you'll have to clean up here. I have just cleaned up my system, so this only 7.15 MB will be deleted and my disk space will be gained. But in your case there is a lot, you'll gain a lot. Just now I gained almost 1 GB of space. Then you have to click on OK. Then yes, do you want to permanently delete these files? Of course yes, delete files. Then it will start cleaning up my system, just as you can see here, and it's done. The first step is done. The another step that you have to follow here is run command. Go here and type run. Then you have to type %temp %. Click on OK. Then you'll see different files. You have to delete all the files over here. In my case, this only temporary and cache files, which will not be deleted for now in my case, because I've already deleted all those files. So another thing that you can do here is go and run prefetch. As you can see here, you have to type prefetch, then this will load all the prefetch files that is in your system. Yes, you can see there are a lot of files, and we don't need these files because this makes your computer run really very slow. So Control A to select all the file and shift and delete, permanently deleting 141 items which I don't need at any case at this moment, because it's saving all the Chrome as well as background files that is running in your system. And as you want to make your computer run faster, you have to do this. And yes, skip this because this is already running, so it will not be deleted. Let it be in its one case. So these are the steps that you have to follow. And the last and very crucial part to make your computer run very fast is to run debloat. For that you have to go in a search column and then type PowerShell, PowerShell. You'll see this here. You have to click on Windows PowerShell. You have to click on what? Windows PowerShell. Then you'll have this screen. I'll give you this link. I'll provide you this link in the description. You'll find this. This is a GitHub link from which you can download this debloat. Then click on enter from here. Then your debloat screen will pop up in this manner. Here you can see there are a lot of options. The one thing that you can do from here is to customize blacklist. The things that you don't want in your computer system, the files, apps and software that are already installed in your system will be checked, and then you can remove it from your system. Like you can see here, there are a lot of things that I don't need, right? Microsoft Get Started, Microsoft Messaging, there are a lot of stuff that we don't use in our daily life. Microsoft Print 3D, Microsoft People, OneConnect, Office, a lot of stuff. The things that you don't need at this moment, you can just click that, and the things that you need in your system, you can uncheck that in this manner. I've already done a lot of stuff from here, like Spotify, Minecraft, and then you can click OK, and then you can just remove bloatware with customized blacklist. Then your blacklist apps will be deleted from your system, which will make your system run really faster and smoother. One thing that I have to do here is to uninstall OneDrive as well if you don't use it. As you can see, certain commands has been running in my PowerShell, As you click here, the PowerShell will run that command to uninstall OneDrive. As I don't use OneDrive that much, yes, I'll do this. So I'm just doing uninstalling OneDrive, as I use Google Drive and other stuffs, Mega Drive a lot, so I'm just uninstalling OneDrive. Well, this is just uninstalling from your system. As you can see here, uninstalling OneDrive. Please wait, you'll have to wait for certain moment. I'll show you after this is done. As you can see, stopping Explorer, certain commands are running. OneDrive has been successfully uninstalled. Now what this will do is this will minimize the load to your computer so that it can run very fast. Another thing that you can do is enabling dark mode. I'm already using the dark mode. As you can see here, these are all the dark mode. You can disable dark mode and come into this part as well, but I prefer more the enable dark mode. And you can install .NET version 3.5 as well from here. You can do a lot of stuff from here. So on pin tiles from start menu, and there are a lot of things that you have to check here. Well, this was all for today. I'll be letting you guys know all the different steps to make your computer run faster. But for today, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be bringing out different technology related stuffs in coming days. Thank you guys.